Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically this is my updated room tour slash collection tour video. Okay, so I have added few figures to my collection and some items are rearranged. So yeah, I thought let's make an updated collection video. And then also I am moving soon to another location. So basically this is the last time the all the figures and everything is gonna be here. I will be shipping everything soon. So yeah, this is my collection tour video. Let's start with this shelf first. This is Penguin from Mars Toys. The details are quite nice on this figure. Fabric and you know how it fits on the body. It looks just like the movie, and they have updated the head sculpt from the prototype, so now it looks quite good. And the throne, I don't know who is the maker of this and which figure it comes with, but it looks good with the penguin, so I'm using this as a setup. Yeah, it looks quite good. And then yeah, I haven't plugged in the Hot Toys bat signal, but yeah, it's the bat signal here. And then this is the Robert Pattinson the Batman deluxe version with the deluxe base. It lights up, and yeah, I haven't plugged in this one as well, so there is no light up, but yeah. And the hair is rooted here. I rooted them myself. They're not the best, but looks better than the sculpted version. And then this is the Hot Toys the Batman body with INART rooted hair head. Looks quite good. And then this is also a custom base. I don't know who makes this base as well. I just bought it used, but it looks much better than the stock Hot Toys base. And then of course this is the INART Batman, much better than Hot Toys. The head is very good, the details are very sharp compared to Hot Toys. The suit as well looks quite good. Yeah, so this is the Batman shelf, and then below here is the Raimi Spider-Man setup. Wait, alright, so let's start here. This is basically Spider-Man 1, Spider-Man 2, and then the Spider-Man 3. Okay, so first is Norman Osborn from SL Custom. I am very surprised by the quality of this figure. You know, the head sculpt, as you can see, the likeness is spot on. The paint app is also very good. So yeah, one of my favorite figures in the collection. And then this is of course the damaged version Toby. This is you know, customized by an artist named Hawaji Customs on Instagram, and I did the body mods on it and the height increased. So yeah, the proportions are much accurate now. And behind there is Green Goblin by Hot Toys, and the glider as well back there looks quite good. And then this is Thunder Toys Spider-Man with the Hot Toys Toby head, looks quite good. And then this is Thunder Toys Deluxe base. Now here is the modified No Way Home Spider-Man from Hot Toys. This is all custom made by me. Body is modified by me. The head is Toy Stay head, but I modified the neck to make it more seamless, so you can see the details on it. Looks quite good. Proportions are much better now. Okay, and then this is the Doc Ock from Hot Toys. I am getting custom head soon, but other than head, this figure is very good. Looks accurate, looks the presence on this figure is just unmatched. And then this is the custom poster, movie poster. And then okay, let's see this in detail. This is Hot Toys 2.0 black suit modified by me. This is my first prototype when I started taking orders for this. So yeah, this is my first attempt modifying this figure, and then this is the second attempt. As you can see, the second attempt looks much cleaner compared to the first one. Right, and then there is a 1.0 black suit behind there. That is the 1.0 on the Sandman base. This is deluxe base from black suit 2.0. And then this is Kanto set for Bully Maguire with the Bully Maguire Hot Toys head. Back there is my kit bash. And then this is custom Sandman basically. Body is M34 silicone seamless body. Head is just a placeholder. My custom head sculpt is on the way for Sandman. Okay, behind there at the last is New Goblin by Hot Toys. Quite an old figure but still holds up. James Franco likeness is spot on. And then this is of course the Thunder Toys Venom, which is very rare now, and with the custom head. Is by Tattoo Fet on Instagram. Quite a good head sculpt as well. You can see the details there. Yeah, and the diorama back is from a company called Toys Nest. I don't know if it's still available or not, but yeah, this is my Raimi shelf. Okay, and then at the last bottom here is basically like, you know, mixed figures, don't have any theme here. So this is INART Harry Potter premium version. The head is just spot on, and the rooted hair quality is also very good. Deluxe diorama base is very good. I'm getting Ron and Hermione as well, but after when I move to new location. No. And then this is custom Kratos, all by myself. This is custom base with snow effects. And then Mimir head, I bought a STL file and then got it 3D printed and painted myself. Body is TB League body painted with oil pastels, and the armor is made out of genuine leather. Weapons are die cast from AliExpress. Head is also custom painted by me. So yeah, this is very good figure. I like it a lot. And then this is of course the INART Pennywise version A, rooted hair, This is so creepy and I like it a lot. Details are very good. INART just INART is just way to go, I think. Hot Toys still can't compete with INART. And the backdrop base is just very like a cherry on top. And then this is, I don't know who makes it, but this is like a, monkey set for Jack Sparrow. Yeah, there are two monkeys, one chest and one these are the accessories that are included. And then this is of course the newer Jack Sparrow deluxe version, not the artisan version. This is the deluxe with the deluxe base. Details are quite good. And then the back there is DX15. I still prefer DX15 head, but the quality of suit and accessories are better on newer. But DX15 is still a very good choice if you can find it cheaper. And the diorama base is still very, very good. So yeah, this is the overview of the whole shelf. Okay, so let's move on. This is now the gaming setup. Okay, so basically I do my work, editing and gaming there with my PC setup, and then this side is for PlayStation only if I want to play games on PlayStation. And I also do like a customization, modification or painting and drawing everything here. I have a light here, so this come very handy when I want to work on this side. Okay, then this is the cyberpunk setup, custom diorama. This also built by me. Believe it or not, this Hot Toys Johnny Silverhand was my first Hot Toys figure. This is the figure that started the whole collection, so I love it a lot. And then this is V from Pure Arts. And the diorama, everything I built myself. This is SHF Toby Spider-Man with custom head on Spider-Man here. They are just chilling here. I wanted to use Toby head as well, so I just bought another. So I have two of them now. And the back there is 10th scale Kratos statue. I repainted it. The video is on the channel. And then this is my games for PS5 and my PS5 here. Okay, let me just turn off the lights so we can see this shelf better. Wait. Alright, much better. So this is the overview of this shelf. This is Snyderverse / BVS setup. Okay, this is armored Batman. Details are quite good on this. I like it a lot. 2.0 is coming, but I think 1.0 is still a very good figure. And then this is from INART Superman. This is Black Adam deluxe version from Hot Toys. I just got it today. This is new. And then this is INART Superman, one of my favorite figures. I love the pose as well. Haven't changed the pose since I got it. The fabric quality is very good. Head sculpt spot on. Base could have been better, but it still works. And then this is Hot Toys Superman with INART head. This is custom, by the way, all modified by me. Suit is repainted as well. Okay, so this is the overview of this shelf. Now this shelf is the Nolan trilogy Batman shelf. Down here we have the Batpod. Okay, and then here is the shelf. We start from this side. This is the Bruce Wayne that comes with the armory, new armory set. I like it a lot, even though you can't pose it. The pose that it's in, it's still good. Detail and paint job is quite good. Behind there is the Bruce Wayne hat that comes with the Batman Begins set. And then the body is body and fabric, body and suit are custom. I don't know who's the maker, but yeah, I don't have space for it, so it's just chilling back there. And then this is the INART Joker, the sculpted hair version. I want to get the Hot Toys artisan version, but I don't have space, so yeah, this is still a very good option. The details are quite good. Yeah, still, and surprising thing is that this is the INART first figure that they ever released, and considering that it still works, looks quite good, and with the magnetic base, of course. This is the armory, new armory with the Batman. The cowl is still not perfect, but the proportion and suit is quite good now. And yeah, the armory, it has like a water drop effect on it, and the light up feature is also quite good. All the accessories you can see, I like it a lot. And then here is Batman Begins with the custom head on it. The cape is stock. I might get a custom cape later, but for now it still looks good. And then this is, of course, one of my favorite figures, 2.0 Batman Bane from Hot Toys with silicone seamless body. It looks unreal, and the base itself is also quite good. It's just phenomenal piece, must have for Batman fans. Look at the head, it has moving eyes as well. Yeah, and then this is the 1.0 Bane with M34 seamless body. I'm using 2.0 Bane coat on 1.0, and the Catwoman is from Fire Toys. I don't like the Hot Toys 2.0 Catwoman, so yeah, this is good enough. So this is the overview of Nolan trilogy Batman. Okay, and then this is the die-cast car from Fast and Furious. Let me just turn it on. Yeah, So this is my model die cast car collection. This is Vin Diesel from Fast and Furious, Hans from Tokyo Drift, and Paul Walker from Tokyo Drift. Okay, and then for this side I have a DTOF. Let me just show you the overview what I have in it. Okay, and then I'll just zoom in and see. So this is classic Predator from Hot Toys. I'm excited for the new Jungle Hunter, but they need to fix a lot of things on it first. But yes, for now is classic Predator. And then here is my life-size Raimi Spider-Man mask, red and black version. This is from Joy Design on IG, Instagram. The details up close are not that good. As you can see, the webbing on the mask are not very clean, but from distance it looks good. And then down there we have Iron Man. I'm not a huge Iron Man fan, but I like this suit, the Mark 7. And then this is like just like a companion piece. I didn't want to have just one Iron Man there, so I just got another one. Okay, and then this is just like Harry Potter books. You know, I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so I just have like a 3D printed logo there and some books. Okay, so that's it. So basically this is my collection tour. Okay, this is updated collection tour, and then yeah, I'm moving soon, so this is the last video here, and then everything will be moving like from few days from now. So this is gonna be my last setup tour, room tour, collection tour from here. Bye bye, thank you, and please like and share. Thanks.